This brand new channel generates over 24 million views in one single month with these AI animated videos. If you see their videos, they create these ultra-realistic AI animal experiments with super addictive visuals that grab your attention right away. Now, by looking at this channel, it made me curious. Can I make the same videos as Quizerbot? So I did my research, and with the right tools and just a couple of hours of my time, I managed to make this.
The hyena, with a bite force of 1,100 pounds per square inch, can crack open bones like dry wood. The grizzly bear, with a bite force of 1,200 psi, can break bone and rip through thick hide. The jaguar, with a bite force of 1,500 psi, can pierce a skull and crush it in seconds.
All of that you just saw was created using AI. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make these AI images with the right tools, how to create these animations easily, and how to do the voiceover and scripting. If you want to try it yourself, I've put all the tools I used along with all my custom prompts in the description below. Step number 1, creating your script. This is probably the most important part of the process because, according to the script, we will get our images and videos. After experimenting for a while, I managed to come up with a good prompt that will help you get a result in the exact same style as Quizerbot. So just paste this prompt in, and the bot will automatically replace the part where it says animal with different animals, like a hyena, a tiger, and many others. In the place of PSI, it will insert the bite force for that animal, and where it says description of damage, it will describe whether the animal can crush, tear, break, or fully separate a limb. It will generate this for at least 10 different animals. Now hit enter and it will create a script in the same style as Quizerbot. And as you can see, we have a script for different animals. For example, we have a hyena, we have the bite force for that animal, and we have a description of the damage. For example, can crack open bones like dry wood. And now, according to this script, we will create our images and later our animations. Now that we got our script ready, it is time to go over to step number 2, which is making the images for our video. For this, we will use Dreamina Model 4.0, Whisk, and Nano Banana. And they all give amazing results, so you can choose whichever model you want for your video. So to make our first image for the animation, we need to look at the script first, because the image needs to match it. But first, we need a prompt to generate the images. And I made this perfect prompt that will help you make visuals like this. And later, I will give you 2 more prompts to generate scenes like this. But first, let's see the first prompt. So the prompt goes like this: a realistic image of an animal performing a bite force test in a laboratory setup. The animal bites a padded cylindrical bar attached to a metal measurement device. A digital screen above the device reads, "Value." The scene is lit with soft, diffused studio lighting against a smooth light blue background. Include visible wires, metal components, and accurate animal anatomy. Highly detailed, sharp, scientific, documentary-style realism. Now, all you have to do is take our animal from our script. In our example, we'll take the hyena and replace it here in the prompt where it says animal in brackets. So let's copy and paste it here, and also paste it here. Now we'll take the actual bite force number for that animal and replace it here where it says PSI in bracket. And now let's see what result this prompt will give us. Let's start with Whisk. So open Whisk, put the prompt in this box here, click on this box down here, and select the 9:16 aspect ratio and hit enter. And in a few seconds, here are our results. I think we got some great images, but now let's see what Dreamina and Nano Banana can do. We'll start with Dreamina 4.0. Open Dreamina and simply click on Create here on the left side. This will take you to the page where you can create the images. In this field, you want to paste the prompt. So all you've got to do is copy the prompt for that scene, paste it into the text field, make sure this is selected, AI image, select the new image model 4.0, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, and hit generate. And these are the results from Dreamina 4.0. Dreamina 4.0 gives excellent results, and now let's see what the Nano Banana model will give us. The prompt remains the same, only here we will change the model to Nano Banana and click Generate. And this is the result from Nano Banana. And here are the images side by side from all three models, so you can choose which one you want to go with. Continue repeating this process scene by scene until you have all the images with the different animals you need for your video. And as I promised, I have 2 more prompts that give great results with different scenes. For example, with this prompt, you just need to insert a shark or any other sea animal. Put it into Dreamina and you'll get a result like this. Great, right? And with the last prompt, instead of the metal rod, the tester will be replaced with a human leg, and you'll get results like this, which is really impressive. So choose which of these 3 scenes you want to go with, and now we download all the images we need, and then we're ready to animate them. To do this, you need some kind of image to video generator, and I think Grok is the tool for this type of video creation. Once you've signed up for an account, you want to click on the button that says Imagine. In the bottom right corner, if this is selected to image, just change it to video. The next thing you need to do is upload your image, and Grok will immediately start creating a video. Usually it gives a good result, but if you want to have more control, you will need to insert a prompt. But first, we need to disable Grok from automatically generating video for us, and now I'm going to show you how to do that. Click on your icon here, which is in the lower left corner, click on Settings, click on Behavior, scroll to the bottom, and here, where it says Enable Automatic Video Generation, you will disable it. And now you won't have automatic video generation. Now, when we import an image, we can put a prompt. So in the prompt section, we need to put a prompt to get the best motion. And I came up with this perfect prompt, and you just need to put the animal, and click Make Video. And now we have a video like this. As you can see, this looks quite good. If you want a longer video, just go to the end of this video, right-click on the video, and go to Copy Video Frame. Click on the images here, paste the last frame, and click Make Video. And Grok will continue from the last frame and create a new video extended from the first video, and so you will have a longer video. And this is the result of the 2 videos. So this looks quite cool. Now continue repeating this process until you have converted all the images into a video. And it is now time that we put everything together by making a voiceover. Personally, I use ElevenLabs since I think they have the most realistic sounding voices. I use this exact voice in ElevenLabs, and I changed a few of the settings. So now I enter my text from my voiceover, click Generate Speech, and this will sound like this.
The crocodile, with a bite force of 3,700 psi, can crush bones and snap a limb clean off.
The final part of making our video is the editing, and for this, you can use any editor you like. I'm using CapCut for this. So all I did is I put all the videos in the timeline, and then I added the voiceover below the videos. Now the next thing I did is I adjusted some of the clips to match the voiceover. Now the last thing I added is captions to make the video more engaging. The last step that you want to do is add in the music. So I found this song on Upbeat and I've added it to the timeline. After putting everything together, this is what the final result looks like.
The hyena, with a bite force of 1,100 pounds per square inch, can crack open bones like dry wood. The grizzly bear, with a bite force of 1,200 psi, can break bone and rip through thick hide. The jaguar, with a bite force of 1,500 psi, can pierce a skull and crush it in seconds. The lion, with a bite force of 650 pounds per square inch, can tear deep into flesh and rip muscle apart.
If you want to try it yourself, I put all the tools I used along with all my custom prompts in the description below. Now click the video on the screen right now if you want to learn how to make a health style video using AI.